UMP ke Lok Sabha nak Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon. Ula kelak no akajan miet jangka kat kendai terik urampang arajar apun rio. Hadin bula kelon kensan nak por budang ilakai football hamulang muyong bagi Dr. Jong ka Robert Hospital Jayau. Kibala subajur bagi jengkla jo kelak bandai nak kejing sengit terik kamu klong senam. Kat gum ki kubor kibala yo ulum leto bahadian bu UMP ula kelon kensan kat baudang ilakai. Kuntagi parlok bela kailang kila pingkit no mardor yu shamau yong CHC. Nrai hadin kanela pingkit no ashka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital Hajayau. Ki doktor kelieto bakila persangkat bala banai kejing sumar nrai kat kum kejing pet jengki kila shamu Dr. Ricky Sengkon ula klat no nodo shwaban poi hakini ke hospital. Bat kila suba bagajing klat jo kadai na kejing sanget rekam uklong senam. KMLA KMDC kinong yalam kinong kitkam kaseng VPP nadu presiden uba Ardan Melo Basayumoj kilawan poi mardor haba giliyo ajing tip u Dr. Ricky Sengkon ulish tomjur badwat kipat baru kilawan poi hospital haba giliyo ajing tip ikine kijing ja kaba snosi kaba Kim Shim Lala ban poi berkat Nakaliang ucaman kaki HEDC uba strong pillar karjana ulong bauliyo ajing tip u Dr. Ricky Sengkon ulale ilakai ba ula kelon hamadan Bat kebela kai lang kilara Dr. Ricky Sengkon shamo yang CHC bat adin geni lakit no pada syaga Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital. Bakani kejengja kelaja kumbah kapor nyo bujijan mir. Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma kisembut Menteri Rangba Kejela kata uba Preston Tensong pada uba Asnyaw Balangdhar Chief Secretary Kejela Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed kihe officer sarkar bat kiwe-kiwe kilawan poi ha hospital bat kipat ba na keleng kilawan cha hospital ha ba kliyo jing tip syapang kejing klat no Dr. Ricky Sengkon Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakalong ka bakendit ya barok ginong syong Kejela bat ule kendo Dr. Ricky Sengkon hakini ki artayo giblalet no Delhi Bat ule keren kumbalai pusan ne 100 minit syapang kejing tu beper kiba udon na kebenta Kejela Ulong ba kejing klan no Dr. Ricky Sengkon kede kejing do ka bakrau Kejela ba kejing do ka bakrau kamtam kipat ba karilom kasi bejantia Namar ba Dr. Ricky Sengkon udah uletre borba na kebenta kipat ba ba Kejela hi berokawai Menteri Rangba ule tu ba hakasngi kebabuat kata ka arko terik urampang ka Business Advisory Committee kensyong ya kejingelang ka bentliat ulampang yang dorbar ban syemekarai. Hendrai uladat benyakran bat usembut Menteri Rangba uba kemi ketenat Parliamentary Affairs uba Preston Tensong bahkan long ka badai ke sarkar bahkan yach kemat men penelong ya ke dorbar ha ka arko terik kata kesito adiang. Kum kejing ai buram yu Dr. Ricky Sengkon bat ulong bawat la ha kesito adiang kadingsi ka ba uhab banwanra ke bang tengka. Hendrai kan long ke badan jingmut bat ke baburam lada ki pentri ano ke jingwanra ya ke bang tengka ha kesito adiang. Hendrai ka rai kan syong ha ke Business Advisory Committee halor kania. Uba Preston Tensong ulong bakalong ke bapang nuat bat ke bakendit halor ke jingklat kensan jong Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon. Bat upa ke jing sngolem shke bahayeng bahasa baro jong Dr. Ricky Sengkon. Bat kermen scam ba uleun ai ke jing jathad bat baun pentengan ru ya ki bahayeng bahasa baro.
This has been a very shocking moment for I think all the citizens of the state. I had met late Dr. Ricky Sengkon about 2 weeks back in Delhi. I still remember the conversation we had. He had come to my residence and we had spoken about the different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Ricky Singh. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow, I was preparing for the budget, and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Ricky Singh had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I had called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling, and hopefully he's feeling better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical. And that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Ricky Singh who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Ricky Singh. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss. And I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal peace.
So you used the word was supposed to present the budget. Does this mean that you're holding it off, or
Will there be any other
We have discussed with the Deputy Chief Minister, Parliamentary Affairs. We will be having a meeting tomorrow with the BAC, headed by obviously the respected Speaker of the House, and the decision will be taken tomorrow. But I have communicated from my side to Honorable Deputy CM in charge Parliamentary Affairs that it would be appropriate for the government not to go ahead with the proceedings of the House tomorrow in respect of late Dr. Ricky Singh. And even though tomorrow is the day we were supposed to present the budget, it would make absolute sense and respect to the departed soul if we were to postpone even the presentation of the budget. But the decision will be taken by the BAC tomorrow.
te kombala ong ECM nakaliang jong nga marui nakaliang jong ka sorkari barokoi apa nakaliang jong ki leaders apo ka jela megala kalong kai ka pangut ka balong tendit adu kata dia ka ji tat kensan no i Dr. Ricky Singh Webby badon rom jong ka Shillong constituency dengan show ba ia dan bentalang mentakamit nadu chief minister jongi pat mangi bro i masau ba ki MLAs jongi paro ki MDCs ki biadon lang paro ba ibu yang ini ke jingjia ke pasnosi ki bangi pun ki bri umi mlabat pediang tang ha ke jing penia ude pana jerong ku kham tipa bar ngamit scam lu bakani kade ka plan ke jongbu pana jerong te ngi pha ia ke jing skolem sha ki para jong i paro ki ba ying ki ba sem jong i ba sangkon paro bat ba ngi kremen scam ngi tuai boble un ai ka jing ja khai yau shakri jongbu bat kumju un ai ka jing tengen ya ki ba ying ki ba sem paro te ka be day but ka session ka bingidon la syai kaski ko mai CM nila de batai ka BSC kan syong la syai kaski bat nakaliang joka sarkar lang ba jong chief minister jongi ila pha ya ka jingsngau ba lakum no la syai kaski idei ban ajon ya kaneka house ko jongi la syai ten la yakata ngin sale la syai kaski hakaba ngi hapru ya kaban don ka abashwiri reference kajing ai buram khaddu ya uneu noyalam jong ka jela Meghalaya jongi bat ya kani ngin sa pedip sepi la syai kasngi hadin ba ka BSC ka syong hapo ka office jong speaker badon buram jongi ya kani ngidang ya ngidang ya berkat ngidang pe ke ka ba ngidai ban le kat kum bangi jule om tang hapo ka jela Meghalaya re hapo ka India berkoi tingin le ya kata ka bade le
Thank you.
Bandung, song kumulum harap kini kerja kelat kerja kerja dokter itu sukan.
Yang long big shock yang dan warta Armenin mengabadi kiran review meeting juga di Sabah Western Hills. Dokat bayi baje rosan baje ke meeting. Dan biasa tak ke meeting di kolong shock yang all sudden bukan jauh dari keluar. Monjong playing itu pada monjong playing kata apa?
Gaji smart jeni kalau long secara berkedet ada berapa? Gaji kedet kami tangini di nong elam, gaji kedet ini kalau long dia dari gaji menteri. Ya kalau ngimut panong kumunong hikmat di nong hikmat jong kepat bayi, ya kalau kepat bayi ya ada berapa? Rekom gaji menteri hang kini kepor ngidap secara gaji susi kalau kerau ada berapa? Ya kalau beli ulah man bansim nak iya ladi, kumu beliau hiu beliau nginong kumno beliau sa beliau jong beliau dia kata ngim laban dina beliau la sim na i te gane ka kubor pamta ka ika bajam ta kalong sia ka bakedit lingi kum ka pati kamtam badi kilong kersan badi pajba aru kalong ka syok si saya ni